unboxing of the flush mount LED round light by Lithonia Lighting. It's a 14-inch, 120 volts, 30 watt LED. It's equivalent to two 75-watt bulbs, which is a total of 2100 lumens. So, let's go ahead and open it up. Got it's packed nicely, very light, plasticky feel. It is what it is. It's about 34 or something, $35. Comes with lots of paperwork. Shows you how to mount it. Pretty much it. Not a lot to it. Yay. Plastic housing. Plastic holder dealios. Whatever they're called. I don't know. Comes right off. There's your actual LEDs. Several of them in there. Like that would mount directly to your box. Two screws that are included. There's also 3 wire caps in there. That's it. Not too big a deal. I'll show you how it looks after I'm done installing. All right. I'm not going to show the whole wiring process. I'm just going to show where you mount it to the screws. So you just put those screws up and then just kind of mount this on there and tighten them up. Alright, here we go. It's pretty bright. That's 2100 lumens. This is in a closet, plenty of brightness. Well, that's it. Here it is with the globe. That's the final product there. I like it. It gives plenty of brightness in the closet. So if you liked this video, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Give me some feedback on how I can do better. I'll put some links in the description where you can purchase this product and some information directly from the manufacturer.